In this video, I'm going to show how to install Ubuntu into the VirtualBox. So when we open the VirtualBox application, click this new button and give a name. The version here automatically is the Ubuntu 64-bit. Click next. Memory, let's take 4 gig memory. Click next. Create virtual hard drive, yes. Virtual hard drive image. Dynamic location, next. 10 gig disk space, okay. And create VirtualBox. It's here. Before you see the power is off. Before we start it, we need to go to settings. First, go to storage. Go to the CD-ROM to find our ISO file to select our virtual image. This is the ISO file. Click OK. And then go to System to make sure this is the USB tablet. Okay, try it this way because previous the CentOS needs to select this one, so make the mouse work. If we have the problem, we need to come back to change another. Okay, click OK. Then we start. In the video, you will see I'm moving very fast, click next, next. But actually, when you install, sometimes it takes a while, and then you need to wait. It's not that quickly. Okay, this one we select install Ubuntu. English. Here we take off this check mark since that's going to take more time to download. So we click continue. Erase disk, install, okay. So this is just a warning message, continue. Time zone Chicago, okay, continue. Give a name. I select my login name as Sanfranc. The password I'm going to give very simple is a password as a password. 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 Although it's weak, easy to remember. This is just for the demo purpose. Okay, the installation finished. And restart now. Okay, it's back. Let's log in. Password. Sign in. Okay, we are in. I'm stop at here and see you next time. Thank you.